our graduation celebration. So, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating mga tropa doon. And, the first thing that we're gonna do is to pick them up around here, dito sa Gateway, Cubao. But, ang pinaka-problem doon is, kanina pa sila nandito, and ngayon lang sila bumili ng kape. And now, inaantay ko sila bumili ng kape kasi wala akong balak mag-park. So, welcome to our family's car. So now, start na natin yung mahabang biyahe. Ayan na sila! Nakita na din kami. Kasi kanina pa kami dito, mga 30 minutes na ako nag-aantay sa sasakyan. Naka-block siya. What's up?
Hi, babe.
You like my skirt?
Hello!
I like your skirt.
Sorry, ang tagal namin.
Hindi, kasalanan ko rin eh. Hindi ko kayo makita. Hi kayo.
You like this?
I do. I love.
Hindi naka-vlog.
I'm so scared for the nip slip.
It's okay.
Uy, hindi mo napansin screen.
First thing that we did is to arrive here at Glim kasi kukuhanin namin yung aming grad photos and papakita ko yun later. And after this, we're gonna go have lunch with all of my friends and sila na lang yung boba kasi walang parking dito. So, wala naman marunong mag-drive sa kanila. So, I have to move it if ever bawal mag-park dito or kaya, I don't know, kasi may driveway. Baka biglang may pumasok. So, I have to move the car. So, yan. Later, let's go have a drive. Merienda.
Extra post-graduation.
Celeb. Kulang kami, by the way. Nagtakbo kaya ako noon kasi inayos ko yung yung schedule tapos di na tayo nagtagpo. Hinahanap ko kayo eh.
Hinahanap ko din. Nung nahanap ko si Mark, hinahanap ko kayo ulit.
Hindi ko na kayo makita.
Nung nag-chat ako, sabi ni Julius, pauwi na tapos na.
Pati rin si Corinne, no?
Diba?
Umuwi na.
Sige na, uwi na.
So, ayan. Ayun na yung rant. Saan man ng tao pag love mo siya?
Love ko, lahat gagawin.
You do the cleaning.
Lahat.
You do the washing the
Paano pag
dishes.
gusto kong
Yung kaya kong gawin.
Ay, pag malalagay yun.
Siguro na tumatalikod, oh. Tingnan mo, oh.
Ito rin ako.
Shrimp.
Ako shrimp.
Shrimp. Tsaka,
Bulgogi.
Puro beef ako, puro beef.
basta pa baby.
Ito.
Ayan, umorder na kami. O diba, hindi sila magkasundo. Oo, dito nyo kami pinaupo. Okay, cute.
Ay, bakit dito? Oh.
Te, anli yan, te.
Uy, madami natin serving na.
Mas marami pa yung kakainin, yung ichika natin kaysa kakainin natin.
Ano kayo dyan?
Ayan na, nilagyan na nila. Inayos nila yung charcoal.
Cheese. Ay, kala ko. Ito yung cheese pala. Pero may cheese din.
Pwede na po maulit. Yes po.
So, after namin kumain ng samgyup, now we're having coffee. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you drinking?
Orange latte.
Masarap?
Yes.
Ano? Ikaw, anong iniinom mo?
Salted caramel chocolate. Non-coffee.
Please rate the coffee.
7.
Coffee yan?
Hindi, non-coffee.
It's a non-coffee. What are you having, course?
Ouch.
They are cheesecake.
Mamaya, ubus na yan.
Ay, ko naman.
I don't know what this is, but I think they just reheated my iced coffee. Because ice yung binigay nila, tapos mayroon na siyang ganyan.
Anong rate?
Bad service.
Sino yung best coffee?
This was the first time na nag-usap kami ng mga friends ko after the graduation. So, we had a mini catch-up session and onting chikahan about what's our plan after and what are we gonna do now. We also talked about some things about the personal agendas of each one, and I just want to say that I missed my friends. It was fun na I spent time with them and I love them so much.
Magaling po siya mag-drive, legit. Mas magaling, kasi syempre sabihin ko magaling, hindi ako marunong mag-drive eh.
Ayoko. Hindi sa'yo maglalakad.
So right now,
Son ko.
pabalik na tayo and ihahatid natin yung first two friends natin on the back sa Eton Centris dahil sarado na daw ang LRT. Tapos ito, kakalat ka rin natin ito hanggang Monumento.
Monumento.
Ano ko ng monumento?
Nag-enjoy naman kayo sa ating adventure.
Pero malapit kasi siya sa Manila.
Oh.
Tabi siya ng Manila.
Hoy, te, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa ating
Oo.
adventure?
Yes.
Okay ba? Pabigay
Okay,
kay
Wait
Mark.
lang, so monumento muna tayo ngayon or Centris?
Hoy, te, papunta na tayo ng Centris.
Okay.
Pero pwede naman yun, pwede ko iliko to. Ano? Desisyon?
Okay, Centris.
Okay.
Centris.
Sabihin ko sana, check muna natin sa monumento, pero parang ang layo na naman kung
And after our mini kwentuhan, syempre, uuwi na kami. And before we part ways, nag-decide kami na magpalitan na ng grad pic because we were the group that spent almost 2 years in class together and we had so much memories and we just want to keep them. Thank you for being here for me and thank you for making me feel loved today. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. I wish you well on all of your endeavors. Mwah!